Hey everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Another nice day. We're heading out for a carpet cleaning, and Dayle is right there having a soup noodle, and she's gonna be helping me. It's a very large job. I think we got around 2,000 square feet. She doesn't have experience working with all the equipment, but she's gonna be helping me out moving hoses and all that, because my day is a little tight, and need to get a few things done, and the guys are busy as well, and we gotta get things done. Stay tuned for the videos.
Anything about me, anything. We went yesterday and got our shoulder shot, so. Yeah.
All right, what we're gonna be doing here is, as you can see there, we got some traffic in there. We won't be doing the whole basement, but we're gonna hit the traffic areas. In this room, we're gonna be doing the entire room, but we're gonna be concentrating on that traffic that you see there. That needs some extra attention. We're gonna be working on that, and then we're coming to this room, and we're gonna be doing as well and paying extra attention to those traffic areas. Hey everyone, we just finished the cleaning. It was much shorter than what we expect. We didn't have to do everything. Things are now good. The traffic lines look much better. I'm very sure that the client would be happy. I'm happy with the results. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. And now we just got here to the shop.